What's that? Gonna get back on you?
He's getting inside your shirt,
Yeah,
David.
I can't do anything about it. Can you get it?
Oh, it's funny.
Oh, it's in my shirt. Oh.
Really likes your shirt.
Can you put your hand up there or something, Dad?
I don't want to get bit.
Stop
Find your
or clawing me, whatever, one of the two.
Just come up to this thing.
No, that one will get on. I'm gonna
It's only fixing your shirt.
Ow! Can you try and get it off? Really?
No, it's not.
Oh, I'm not happy.
It's really having fun.
Oh, I thought it was...
Just come over to this thing.
He's going in your shirt. That's so funny.
I'm not I know where it is, I don't know where the foot dog though. Like, what is it grabbing on?
I think it really likes you.
You want that one?
It gets off.
It really likes you. It really likes you.
I'm gonna walk around and get on there. Oh, it's upside down.
It's like just going wild in the car.
It is. It's getting down your shirt and everything.
Oh, what's scratching my back for me?
Yeah, it could be a back scratcher.
I tried to use it already. Is it like upside down or something? Oh, that kind of tickles.
No, it's back up now.
Ow! Don't bite me. Come on.
That's just her playing.
Come on, get on.
That's just her playing. That's normal.
That one's running back on me. You're crazy.
No, it's going wild.
Wait, it's just... Here, get on. Ooh.
I need to better get the bird nest.
Sorry.
I have to poop in my shirt or something.
That's so funny.
Come on. Oh, that's different.
Turn this way.
Oh, I shouldn't have turned. Here, get on.
There you go. There. Slowly put it back.
Oh.